Hi, how you guys doing?
Fine, thank you. ¿Alguien más que esté aquí ya conectado en la sala de Zoom necesita intérprete?
Sí, yo.
¿Usted quién
Gerardo,
es, señor? ¿Gerardo qué?
César Flores.
Gerardo César Flores, señor Flores. Déjeme buscarlo, por favor. Flores.
César Gerardo Flores.
Exacto, pero el apellido es Flores.
Sí.
No lo consigo en mi lista, pero déjeme anotarlo. ¿Usted viene por primera vez, señor Gerardo?
No, el lunes estuve en una igual, solo que me la pospusieron hasta hoy por falta de intérprete o algo así me comentaron.
Ok, entonces Flores, Gerardo, ¿qué?
César.
Gerardo César. Ok, yo lo anoté, señor. Pues, ¿hay alguien ahí con usted que le pueda cambiar ese nombre en el teléfono en vez de usuario de Zoom que le ponga Gerardo César Flores?
Sí.
Por favor, ponga su nombre allí para que el juez cuando lo vea sepa quién es usted. Gracias.
Okay.
¿Alguien más necesita intérprete?
Ms. Hernandez, did you get my time?
What's his name?
Miss Everett Izaguirre.
Izaguirre. Let me see. Izaguirre Everllano. Sí, señora. Yes, ma'am. I have it. Thank you.
Si mejor viera, vaya, pues de todos va a estar ella.
Perdón, señor, un momento. Discúlpeme. Ajá, ¿alguien está hablando conmigo? Señor Francisco García, ¿necesita intérprete? Buenos días, señor Francisco García. ¿Necesita intérprete? No le oigo. Bueno, ¿alguien más necesita intérprete? Bueno, señores, mientras que no nos llamen, por favor pongan sus micrófonos siempre en silencio. Cuando llamen el caso, ustedes abren su micrófono para poder contestar, pero mientras tanto, por favor, siempre tengan en silencio para que no interrumpa la sesión, ¿ok? Todo se oye. La televisión, el radio, la persona que está al lado de ustedes susurrándole, todo eso se oye y todo se ve. Entonces, por favor, quédense quietos en un solo lugar, no estén caminando de un lugar a otro, ¿verdad? Conteste cuando lo que se les pregunta y abran su micrófono cuando se ha llamado el caso. Gracias. Señor García, Francisco García, ¿me escucha? Bueno, creo que no. Señor Valdivieso, ¿usted necesita intérprete? O señora Valdivieso, dice el teléfono, no sé quién es.
No, lo que pasa, no, la corte es para el señor Hernández. Andrés. Es para Andrés Celestino Hernández.
Un momento, por favor, déjeme revisarlo.
Lo que pasa es que
discúlpeme, señora, ¿él necesita intérprete?
Sí.
Ok, el teléfono, él está en otro lugar, con el teléfono de alguien.
No, lo que pasa es que entramos con el teléfono de él, pero no pudimos entrar. Entramos a otra sala.
Ajá.
Y ya no le pudimos cambiar el número de ID.
Se tiene que salir y volver a entrar y ponerle el número de ID nuevo, pero eso no importa. Ese teléfono de suyo.
Sí.
Ok, ¿usted le puede cambiar el nombre y ponerle el apellido del señor?
Sí, por supuesto. Un momento.
Mientras tanto,
Un momento.
ponga- Ok, Hernández Celestino o Andrés. ¿Cuál es su primer nombre? ¿Celestino o Andrés?
No, es Andrés. Andrés Celestino Hernández. Celestino es
Entonces,
apellido.
entonces ponga Andrés Hernández.
Okay.
Gracias, muy amable. Y después lo pone en silencio. Y cuando llamen al caso, usted hable el micrófono. Muchísimas gracias.
Ok.
¿Alguien más?
And also, we'll talk about what else you're taking. About the food going around and all kinds of things. So we have a lot to discuss.
Mr. Kennedy, can you put your microphone in mute, please? Because we can hear everything that's going on. Thank you.
Thanks, doctor. See you soon. Great. No problem. Thanks.
Mr. Kennedy, could you put your phone on mute? Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Buenos dias.
Seems like we have an unmuted phone. You can still hear everything that's going on there.
Kennedy unmutes himself.
No, that's another phone, John.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back and wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, if you're talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around and smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. All right, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Hernandez. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, and do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well.
Okay, I'm going to interpret what the officer said, Your Honor. Buenos días a todos. Esta corte entra en sesión con el honorable juez John Sean Perkins. Señor Valdivieso, puede bajar la mano. Mientras la corte esté en sesión, por favor asegúrese de que su pantalla o ambiente muestre una imagen clara de usted y esté en silencio su micrófono hasta que llame en su caso. Debe estar debidamente sentado derecho y quieto en un solo lugar. Si se encuentra en un vehículo, dicho vehículo no debe estar en movimiento mientras esta corte esté en sesión. Tampoco se permite estar hablando, comiendo, bebiendo, masticando chicle, moviéndose de un lado a otro, ni fumando. Y por favor, en todo momento, esté apropiadamente vestido para comparecer ante esta corte. Gracias.
Okay. Let's call all these people at one time.
Okay, vamos a llamar a todas estas personas de una sola vez.
Darnell Ray Varney, you here?
Daryl Varney.
Harold Varney, good morning, sir.
Morning,
thank
sir.
you for Community service. We're dismissing your case. You're free to leave if you don't have any questions.
No, sir. No, thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too.
Miguel Maldonado.
Yes, Your Honor.
I got completion that you completed your community service. If you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
anything further, you are free to leave. We're going to dismiss your case.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day. God bless you.
You have a better one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Gene Kennedy.
Yes.
Sir, I got confirmation that you completed your community service. Thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Okay, well, I'll receive paperwork on that.
You can go online and look it up. The 36th District Court, you'll see it's, you can print it out yourself, but you'll see it's dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
I have a great day, sir.
You too.
Tawana Gordon.
Hey.
No Tawana Gordon.
Gerardo Flores.
Anna Garcia Nava.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Thank you for completing the community service. If you don't have any questions, you're free to leave. We dismiss your case.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Francisco Garcia Lopez. No Francisco Garcia Lopez. Ms. Hernandez, do you?
Señor Francisco García López, por favor, nos está escuchando. El juez está llamando su caso.
Yeah. Sí, buenos días. Disculpe, es que no tenía sonido. Algo estaba pasando. Tenía todo el volumen arriba, pero
Ok, necesita intérprete. Señor, necesita intérprete.
Pues si me ayuda, sí, mucho mejor.
Okay. Yes, he's here, and he excused himself because something was happening with his microphone. But now he can hear us. He's here, and he needs interpreter.
And he is Francisco Garcia Lopez.
Señor, usted es el señor Francisco García López.
Sí.
Yes, I am.
All right, you did the 12 hours of community service, sir?
Señor, usted hizo las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
No,
No,
yo preferí pagar.
You paid the fine.
no, yes, I rather I pay.
All right, you paid, I got confirmation of that. I'm gonna dismiss your case, you're free to leave, sir.
Ok, señor, usted pagó y ya yo tengo la confirmación de su pago, por lo tanto voy a desestimar su caso, ya se puede retirar.
Ok, muy bien.
Ok, very good,
Gracias.
thank you. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que tenga buen día,
Igual.
señor.
Same
to
day.
you, Your Honor.
Same to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
About Celeste Flores.
Tengo a
I'm
la
appearing.
señora Flores.
It's Melissa. I'm Mr. Weiss's paralegal. I'm appearing on his behalf. He's in trial.
Okay, for Celeste Flores.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna dismiss her case. She did the 12 hours of community service.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day.
You as well.
All right, who's on the iPhone that hasn't had a name attached to their,
Oh, Luis
Lewis.
Solano.
all right, what is that again?
Luis
Lewis.
Solano.
One at a time. I got the guy with the blue shirt on that's got iPhone.
Por favor, uno a la vez. Estoy hablando con el señor que tiene una camisa azul que dice iPhone.
What's your name?
Luis Solano.
Luis Solano.
Yes.
All right. Who's on the phone at 517-703-7653?
That's me, Your Honor, Dina Coulter.
Nicole who?
Dina Coulter.
That's
There was a problem that we couldn't figure out for what happened to my ticket, which was last October. So I guess we're trying to figure out what happened, and then I wound up with 3 tickets. Your Honor?
Yeah, I hear you. We'll find out what's going on. Good morning to you.
Good
All right,
morning.
let's keep
Your Honor,
going.
we still have Mr. Sandrell.
But he's got lots of cases. Where is he? I see you, Ms. Glogowski, but I don't see his your client has completed community service.
He does. He completed his 24 hours, Your Honor.
Where is confirmation of it?
I thought it came through the Southwest Center. I apologize. Should I have emailed that?
Yes, so they could have confirmed that. What's your client's Everett? Izagari?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it Izagari or Izagari?
I think I might butcher it, but I think it's Izaguirre.
Izaguirre.
Yes, with a nice rolled I. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Phillips, did you see completed community service?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor, we do have it now that he completed 24 hours, and he completed them all at Park.
Ok, señor Phillips, usted vio que cumplió las 24 horas. Sí, su señoría, cumplió sus 24 horas.
All right. Mr. Izagiri, your, both of your cases are gonna be dismissed. You got 24 hours of community service. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Señor Izaguirre, su caso va a ser desestimado por haber cumplido las 24 horas de de servicio comunitario. Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you very much.
Gracias a todo el mundo. Que tengan buen día. Gracias. Nice to see you.
As for Shandrill Hines, I don't have any, he's got a lot of cases open. I don't know what happened. Where's Shandrill Hines' file? Here, I have an ROA.
I'm Junior.
Oh, let's see. That may be what's going on. Morning to you, Mr. Hines.
Disculpe.
¿Sí?
No llamó mi nombre.
¿Quién es usted, señor? ¿Dónde está? No lo veo. ¿Aló?
Hello.
Señor,
Sí,
¿dónde está?
no llamó mi nombre. Aquí, tengo
No
mi-
lo he llamado, señor. Lo va a llamar cuando le toque. Cuando nos llamen. ¿Quién es usted, señor Flores?
Ok.
¿Usted es el señor Flores? Entonces, por favor, señor, cuando lo llamen, esté atento, es cuando lo llamen. Señor, no se le oye.
Okay, Mr. Hines, thank you for clearing that up for me. I remember that last time. We're going to dismiss your case.
Donna, are we going on the record with these or?
No, we don't have to go on the record. We're just gonna treat them that they showed up, so.
Okay.
Señor Williams Tabora, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
All right, you're free to leave, Mr. Hines. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Ok, señor Tabora, ya lo anoté. Por favor, ponga su micrófono en silencio hasta que el juez llame su caso.
Ok.
Everett Aguilar here.
¿La persona con apellido Aguilar está aquí?
All right, find out the name of the person that's user role Zoom.
Ok, la persona que está allí en pantalla con el nombre usuario de Zoom. El señor de la camisa gris. Usuario de Zoom, dice su teléfono. ¿Cuál es su nombre, por favor? ¿Usted es el señor Flores?
Sí, pero acabo de cambiar mi nombre.
No está, aquí aparece usuario de Zoom todavía. ¿Usted es el señor Flores Gerardo César?
Sí.
Ok, no le ha cambiado el nombre todavía. Your Honor, this is Mr. Flores. The name is Gerardo César Flores is the last name. And I don't see him in my list.
No, he came in the other day. Let's tell him to spell his last name for me, starting with his last name, please.
Señor, por favor, el juez le pide que deletree su apellido, si es tan amable.
Flores o César.
Deletree su apellido.
F L
L
O R
R
E
B
S.
S.
Write that down, Ms. Hernandez.
Flores, Flores. Last name, Flores. Like flowers?
Yeah, I got that. What's his first name?
Gerardo, like Gerard. Cesar is the second name.
You gotta spell it for me. Spell a first and middle name, please.
Gerardo. The middle name Zesar.
Gerardo.
BDO.
Like boy.
Excuse me, what order do this go in? Or you just wait for your name to be called?
I got you down, Mr. Lewis.
Okay,
Good
thank
morning to you. I got Flores, Flores, and his first name Gerarbo.
D as in day.
D-O. And what's his middle name?
Cesar, like Caesar.
Okay. I still don't see him on
I
here.
don't either.
I don't see him in the computer.
Ah, okay.
He's got it.
Disculpe.
Yes.
Sí,
señor. Dígame, señor César. Señor Flores.
Es que el oficial que me detuvo puso César Gerardo Flores.
Ah, okay. The
Pero es
officer
Gerardo César Flores. O sea,
the officer that stopped me wrote down Gerardo. ¿Cómo le puso César Gerardo?
César Gerardo.
Yeah, the officer wrote down César Gerardo instead of Gerardo César. So maybe you can find César Gerardo Flores.
Cesar is C-E-S-E-A-R.
No, C-E-S-A-R. You found it? Okay. What is the case number, Your Honor? I don't have it.
ST 132-891-31.
Thank you. Ok, señor, ya se aclaró lo de su nombre y tenemos el nombre. Cuando llame su caso, entonces usted abre otra vez su micrófono. Gracias. Por lo pronto, ciérrelo.
Gracias.
You're welcome.
Gracias.
You're welcome.
Gracias.
Now, let's see if he, let's get him in the room with the lawyer. Because this case is open alcohol related offense.
Okay.
There's no deal because it's a passenger, so there's no deal. The punishment is $240 in fine, 2 points on your license, and an alcohol related offense. Let's get him in the room with the lawyer to see if he wants to go fight this case in another courtroom.
Ok, señor Flores, su delito está relacionado con el alcohol y de un contenedor de alcohol abierto y usted estaba como el pasajero. Por lo tanto, no hay un acuerdo previo para este tipo de delito. Lo vamos a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado y yo, la intérprete, para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado y hablen ahí de lo que quieran hacer, ¿ok? ¿Entendió, señor Flores?
Okay.
Ok, vamos a esperar que el juez nos mande. Ok, Your Honor, he understood. Are we going now or later?
Second,
Sí,
Mr. Perez,
sí,
I have Isel Rapalero Perez.
See?
All right, let's put you in a breakout room. Who's gonna take the case? Who's gonna take the case? Mr. Ogletree, your client, is gone. I dismissed her case.
Thank you.
All right, have a
All right,
great
take
day.
care.
All right.
Your Honor, which case are you referring to? The first one, I don't see him on the docket. I didn't hear what you said the offer was either.
So you're talking about Flores. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Flores is charged with open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. And there's no, the city attorney doesn't give anything less than that. So it's no offer for him. So you might want to just take that to trial. You can let him know it's an alcohol related offense. I don't know if he's a citizen or not, but it's an alcohol related offense and it's 2 points on his license and a $240 fine. Or it would be 12 hours of community service in here. And but at the end of the day, he may want to go to his alphabet judge and contest the ticket.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Ok, señor Flores, apriete ahí, vio un botoncito azul que dice que señala. Ok.
All right, Mr. Solano.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the option of fighting these tickets. And you would have to go. Are you Alonzo Louis Alonzo Solano?
Yes.
Or you could take an offer, but the offer is going to deal with some community service. And here, do you want to do community service or do you want to fight the ticket?
No, I'll fight the ticket. I'll pay for it.
We can get you a good deal if you want to do some community service.
It's because I'm working in roofing right now and I don't got time to be doing community service.
I'm going to send you out to your alphabet judge. You got to come back another day. No S. Who's doing S's?
Good morning.
I said, oh, wait up. I got it here. No, this is Solano. Oh, no.
Yes.
You can find it for Flores as well.
Flores, you said who was going Solano?
Solano.
Solano, letter S is going to be. Yeah, Christopher Bond.
Okay, I'm gonna send you out to,
He needs a date, right?
he needs a date, let's call them.
Send it for free trial. I can just pull it up.
Okay. That's another court, I don't know. What they want. This is the pre-trial for Blount.
Okay, so you want to do 30 days?
Doesn't matter.
I'm
to
looking at
me.
my calendar. That's all. I'm just gonna check the calendar. I'll call him.
Well, I don't care.
Judge
Yeah.
Parker.
Perkins.
So the ticket was for parking in the alley, right? For the one,
You got really 4 tickets. A no insurance misdemeanor, a driving while license suspended, a blocking traffic, and a whole failure to stop ticket. We were trying to clear all those up, but you're willing to do community service out of this court. If you're willing to do some community service, I'll give you some time to finish it. Ms. Quinteo or Mr. Phillips over there can help you work around your schedule. And we can probably get you out of here without a misdemeanor record. But I don't know what you're gonna get at the other court.
and how would that work out if I do community service?
Here's the deal. What's the deal for this young man? No insurance. I'm gonna say, give us 18 hours community service and we'll dismiss everything.
I'll do the 18 hours. I'll do it.
That's a smart young man. All right. Who's the lawyer? In here? That's the other house counsel.
I am, Your Honor.
That's Ms. Carver?
Yes.
All right, let's get going. And then I'm gonna get these other lawyers out of here. Let me get Mr. Solano out of here. This is the city of Detroit versus Louis Alonzo Solano. Case numbers SP 124-8199, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 124-82001. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Carver?
Oh, sorry. Jane Carver here on behalf of the defendant.
All right, I'm gonna set aside this default on this old ticket. I'm gonna offer you an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive for the driving a license suspended ticket. That's gonna be a misdemeanor, and it doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, doesn't carry any points, but I'm gonna dismiss that misdemeanor upon the completion of the community service. Then after that blocking traffic, I'm gonna add some more community service in lieu of fines and costs for a total of 18 hours of community service. And then we'll dismiss the old failure to stop, we'll dismiss the allowing, and then we'll dismiss the no insurance today. You can speak with Mr. Tucker in a breakout room if you need some better understanding about this officer. But if you complete the 12 hours of community service, everything will go away. What do you want to do?
I'll do the hours for community service, sir.
All right, very good. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313 989. Let's see. My folder. Okay. It's 6365.
All right, you got 810?
Excuse me, I couldn't hear you.
You have an 810?
8.
A pen to write something down.
Write the phone number down, or put it in your phone. Or put it in your phone.
Right. Yeah, I got a pen. Okay, I'm ready.
313-879-8200. 2155.
Hello? It's 313-879-2555.
No, 2155.
21. Okay.
All right, when we get done here, I want you to call them this afternoon. Sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes.
Sir, let me draw your attention back to October the 6th, 2021, at around 3 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand Boulevard and Porter Street, sir. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Can you repeat the location?
Grand Boulevard and Porter Street.
Yes.
3 a.m. in the morning. Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes. No, he offered. No, oh my phone almost cut. No, he yes, he asked me. Yes, he asked me.
He
Yes.
asked you, did he?
Yes.
And you couldn't produce one, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I never went to take it out or to test for driver's test or anything.
Are you eligible or are you?
Yes.
Are you a citizen?
Yes, I am.
So why don't you get a license?
I am. I just didn't have time when I got out. Like I was on probation, and when I cleared that off, like the whole COVID happened, and I couldn't set my appointment.
Listen. I'm gonna give you June 29th to complete this community service. I'll give you extra time because I see you're working. You say you're working. But I want, and within that time, I want you to find time to go to the Secretary of State, and I want you to start your process on getting a driver's license. Mr. Phillips at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center can help you at least get you on the right track. All right, I want you to do that. All right.
All right.
All right. So, all right, sir. So you didn't have a license, so I'm satisfied, Counselor. I'm going to find him guilty of the amended count of allowing a licensed driver to drive. Since it's in the 12 hours community service on that, I'll dismiss that upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. Let me draw your attention back.
Hey, I just told you I was in court, bro. You is
Hey, listen,
toxic
Mr.
and disrespectful.
Lewis. Mr. Lewis.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to, as for the civil infraction of blocking traffic, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to find you responsible for the blocking traffic. I'm going to order you to do additional 6 hours of community service for a total of 18 hours. I'm not going to order you to do that. I'm going to allow you to do this community service. The civil infraction of that in lieu of the fines and costs. So with the stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to set aside the 19.5267821. I'm going to dismiss both of those other tickets. Can I get that stipulation, Counselor?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so sir, you're welcome, Mr. Solano. Take some time out.
Yes.
You need it, maybe a couple extra days or maybe not work.
Solano is over here.
Hold on a second. Who is that talking? I know that roofing can be pretty demanding and there's a lot of hours involved in it, but you're gonna have to take some time. I want you to get this community service done. You'll get out of here with a clean record. And then I want you to get out here and I want you to take some substantial steps. What I mean by substantial steps is I want you to go and you may not have the license by the time you come back in here, but you better have some proof that you went to the Secretary of State and you got things set up. You know, dates and times when you go to a driving school or whatever you need to do to get it, all right?
All right.
All right, you got any questions, sir?
No.
All right, that 879-2155 number, call them this afternoon, all right? After about 12 o'clock, once we get done with court. And then they'll set you up for that. I want you back on June 29th at 8:25 a.m. For a review. All right, you got any questions?
No, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right, what's going on with Flores?
Okay, ¿qué pasó con el señor Flores?
We're ready, Your Honor.
Estamos listos, su señoría.
Does he want to fight the case?
No, he wants to take the plea, Your Honor. I explained to him the whole process of trial. He wants to take the plea.
No, él quiere tomar la acusación, hacer la declaración.
Sir,
Señor.
Mr. Flores.
Señor Flores.
Yep.
Do you realize what you're signing up for by just taking the plea?
¿Usted entiende lo que está tomando al tomar al declararse culpable?
Sir, you're signing up for alcohol-related offense on your driving record. You're signing up for 2 weeks on your driving record.
Señor, usted está aceptando aceptando una acusación de un delito de alcohol en su récord de manejo y 2 puntos en su licencia de conducir. ¿Usted entiende eso?
Sí, pero yo no estaba manejando.
Yes, but I was not.
What does he mean?
¿Qué quiere decir? ¿Usted no estaba aquí?
I'm gonna keep the case here. All right, this is the city of
No se le
Detroit.
oye, señor, no se le oye.
Disculpe, que no estaba conduciendo. Disculpe si agarro las horas, borra todo, si está bien.
I'm sorry, I was not driving. If I take the community hours, will that still be in my record?
Yes.
¿Sí?
Let's call the case. This is the city of
Vamos a
Detroit.
llamar al caso.
This is the city of Detroit versus Cesar Flores, case number SP 132-89131. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, vamos a llamar al caso. Este es el caso del señor César Flores, número SP 132-89-131. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Your appearance, counselor.
Field Manager Wilkerson, P81003, on behalf of Mr. Flores. Mr. Flores, please state your name for the record.
Mi nombre es Timaldra Wilkinson, número 81203, representando al señor Flores. Señor Flores, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Gerardo César Flores.
Gerardo César Flores.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date in the matter. Sir, come back on June 22nd, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Ok, señor, yo le voy a poner aquí un día para el juicio. De todos modos, por favor, tiene que volverse a conectarse en esta corte el día 22 de junio de este año 2022 a las 9 de la mañana. Your Honor, June 22nd, 2022.
At 9 a.m., correct.
Correcto, el 22 de junio de este año a las 9 de la mañana, otra vez conéctese en esta sala, por favor.
Perfecto. Entendido.
Perfecto. Understood.
¿Puedo tener a mi abogado o seguirá siendo la señorita que estaba en un momento?
Can I bring a lawyer or I will still have the same miss that I have today?
You can bring a lawyer. We'll have a lawyer here.
¿Usted puede traer un abogado o le ponemos un abogado aquí?
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Ok, señor.
Great day, sir.
Que tenga buen día, señor. Se puede desconectar.
Muchas gracias. Tengan buen
Thank you
día.
very much. Have a good day.
All right, great. You too.
Desconéctese, señor Flores. Thank you.
Mr. Joey Phillips, counselor, what do you have?
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Francisco Williams Tabora Molina.
Your Honor, he is in the list like Molina Francisco at the bottom of the first page at 8:30.
Thank you. Yeah, I see. Thanks, Mr. Let's see here. Does he want to do community service?
¿Quiere hacer su cliente quiere hacer el servicio comunitario, señor?
Sí. Yeah.
Yes.
We'll give him an allowing and dismiss it after 12 hours of community service.
That works, Your Honor. I know he
Nosotros
does.
vamos a cambiar, nosotros vamos a cambiar la acusación, la vamos a enmendar para que permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara y después de que cumpla las horas de servicio comunitario le vamos a quitar el ticket. Sí, su señoría, contestó su abogado.
Perfect. Your Honor, I do know he also had another ticket that had failure to stop, defective brake light, and no proof of insurance. I found an appearance on notice, so I wasn't sure if that was before this court as well.
Señor, este otro ticket de que no paró y no lo veo aquí, no estaba seguro si estaba incluido. El juez lo está buscando.
Okay.
You want to wait till those tickets hit the system and then give them a package deal on all of it?
I mean, I would like to, Your Honor, if that's a possibility.
Señor abogado, ¿usted quiere incluir este tico y hacer como un paquete con los dos y que él entonces se resuelva hoy los dos? Bueno, eso me gustaría, su señoría.
But they were given to him on the same day, so I'm not sure why one would be in and not the other.
Entonces, porque los dos tickets se los dieron el mismo día, entonces no entiendo por qué, no estoy seguro por qué, solamente está apareciendo aquí un solo ticket.
Well, it's not in the system, so I don't know. You can potentially contact.
Bueno, no están en el sistema. La verdad es que no sé por qué no están en el sistema el otro.
Excuse me.
Who's that? Take your hood off, sir.
Okay, it's raining outside.
Who is, or you don't have to go ahead. What's your name?
My name's Earl Lewis. I'm at actual work right now.
All right, give me a minute.
No problem.
All right, let's go ahead with, if it's raining, you can put your hood back on. Let's go ahead with Francisco Molina. I'm gonna give you some time. I'll give you, what, I don't care, 30, 60 days to get this stuff worked out. We can give him a package deal when he comes back.
That works, Your Honor. If we could have 60 days, just in case, I do know he's employed. So I'm getting in the hours. I want to make sure he has enough time.
Ok, entonces vamos a ver qué hacemos, vamos a ver si yo le doy como entre 30 y 60 días para que aparezca el otro tico y podamos entonces arreglar los dos al mismo tiempo. Sí, señoría, se lo agradezco porque con ese tiempo, entonces bueno, no estoy muy seguro qué es lo que está pasando, pero con ese tiempo podemos arreglar todo y arreglar los dos tickets o lo que sea en una sola sesión.
All right, let's call the case. This is Cecilia Drake versus Francesco Williams Tabora Molina. Case number SP 1330711. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney
Ok,
Joseph
vamos
Phillips.
a llamar el caso del señor Francisco William Tabora Molina, caso SP 1330731. Su comparecencia, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Attorney Joseph Phillips, on behalf of Mr. Molina. Mr. Molina, would you please put your name on the record, please?
You can't, there's no permit, so you can't be working.
I cannot hear you. Somebody's talking and the interpreter cannot hear.
Same
Okay. Ok, este es el caso, sí, señoría. Mi nombre es Joy Phillips, número 84081, representando al señor Molina.
Hold on. Mr. Who's got all the noise? I deleted, I muted Galaxy Lewis, but somebody else. All right, let's go ahead.
Okay.
Need attorney to repeat as well as when Ms. Hernandez.
I need you to go ahead and repeat, Counselor.
Attorney Joseph Phillips, P84081, on behalf of Mr. Molina. Mr. Molina, could you please put your name on the record?
Mi nombre es abogado Joseph Phillips, número 84081, representando al señor Molina. Señor Molina, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es William Francisco Tábora Molina.
My name is William Francisco Tábora Molina.
Hey, let's get him a reign, Counselor.
Vamos a leerle sus cargos, abogado.
Mr. Molina, we've discussed this matter. You are currently charged with driving with no driver's license never required under the City Code 46-3-1.
Ok, señor Molina, nosotros hablamos de esto anteriormente y usted ha sido acusado de haber manejado sin haber nunca antes obtenido una licencia bajo el número 3-1.
Sí.
We've gone over all your constitutional rights, and based off that, you're standing mute, correct?
Ok, y entonces I couldn't hear what you said before standing mute. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We've gone over all your constitutional rights, and at this point in time, you're entering a standing mute, and the court will enter a not guilty.
Ok, señor Molina, nosotros discutimos esto antes y nosotros discutimos entonces cuáles eran todos sus derechos constitucionales. Yo se los expliqué y usted decidió permanecer en silencio en esta sesión y la corte entonces va a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre, ¿correcto?
Okay. Okay. Gracias.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm going to enter $0 bond, and I'm going to give you a pretrial date of July the 20th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. If it's nothing further, you and your counselor have a very good day.
Ok, señor, entonces yo le voy a dar a usted una próxima fecha para una consulta previa al juicio, una audiencia de consulta previa al juicio, el día 20 de julio del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana en esta misma corte. Si no tiene ninguna pregunta, con esto concluye su sesión, puede retirarse. Gracias.
Ok, gracias a usted. Tenga buen día.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Your Honor, does Mr. Molina need to have the 12 hours community service done by that day, or do you want to wait?
Well, we can wait. I don't know what other tickets he's got. If he wants to start the 12 hours of community service, he's more than welcome I mean, I
Perfect.
know they'll, but
Ok,
it's gonna be at least 12 hours of community service at
Okay.
least.
Ok, para esa fecha de julio, el señor Taboada tiene que tener ya concluidas haber hecho las 2 horas de community service. Bueno, tenemos que ver, él va a tener por lo menos esas 12 horas, pero primero tenemos que ver cuántos tickets tiene, por fin. Entonces, pero él si quiere comenzar a hacer esas 12 horas que mínimo va a tener, él muy bien puede comenzar. Entonces tiene que llamar al señor Phillips o a la señora Buentello en el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit para acordar con ellos a qué hora y cuándo tiene que hacer esas horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok.
Perfect.
Ok.
Thank you.
Gracias, su señoría.
Have a good day,
Come
everyone.
back on July the 20th, right?
That's correct, at 8:30.
Very well.
Ok, hasta luego. Viene otra vez el 20 de julio. Sí, eso es correcto, su señoría, a las 8:30 de la mañana. Ok.
All right, have a great day. Hasta luego.
Que tenga buen día. Hasta luego.
Excuse me.
Ajá. Señor, tiene
no.
que llamar al servicio comunitario.
Stop interrupting my courtroom.
Oh, I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know if I was in the right courtroom. I'm sorry.
Señor Taboada,
I didn't mean
tiene
to
que
interrupt.
llamar al centro de servicio comunitario para establecer las horas.
Ok.
Ok, hasta luego.
Ok, hasta luego. Gracias.
Ok, bye bye, thank you. Desconéctese.
What's your name, sir?
Earl Lewis.
You are interrupting. You hear people talking. If you hear somebody talking and you don't just talk while somebody else is talking.
This the wrong courtroom, sir?
Sure it is.
All right, you have a nice one.
All right. Let's move on. Roblero Perez.
Sigamos con el señor Roblero Pérez.
Sí, ese soy yo.
Yeah, that's me.
You want to do community service, sir?
Señor, ¿quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario?
No sé qué hay que hacer.
What do I have to do?
12 hours of community service will dismiss the case when you complete 12 hours of community service.
Bueno, usted puede completar 12 horas de servicio comunitario y después que complete las 12 horas de servicio comunitario le quitamos su caso y no aparece en el récord.
El servicio comunitario sería hacer qué, es que no entiendo la verdad.
Okay, I don't understand what community service means. What do I have to do that?
You have to go help out in the community. With Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center will assign you a project to maybe clean up the park, help feed the homeless, or help at the food bank or whatever.
Señor, servicio comunitario es hacer algo por la comunidad de manera voluntaria. Para eso usted tiene que conectar, tiene que llamar a las personas del Centro de Justicia Comunitaria, que está ahí la señorita Buentello o el señor Phillips, ellos hablan español, usted llama al teléfono que le va a dar el juez y entonces ellos le dicen, bueno, a qué hora, tal día, a qué hora puede usted. Entonces usted va y ayuda en una cocina donde le dan de comer a la gente que necesita comida, puede ir a limpiar un parque, puede ir a una iglesia, ayudar a la comunidad. Eso es todo lo que tiene que hacer y entonces, pero a través del señor Phillips o la señorita Buentello en el centro de servicio comunitario. Ellos le dicen dónde tiene que ir y puede ir a cualquier hora, cualquier día, como usted quiera. Y entonces ellos le enseñan al juez que usted hizo sus horas y cuando usted le toque venir otra vez, el juez le quita el caso.
Perdón, ¿cómo se llama la persona que está encargada? Phillips.
Señor, después se lo decimos, pero ¿entendió lo que es centro de servicio comunitario?
Sí, sí.
Okay. Yes, he understood.
Want to do it, sir?
¿Quiere hacerlo, señor?
Ok, está bien.
Yes, I will.
This is the city of Detroit versus Isel Roblero Perez, case number SP 126-14891 and SP 126-17051. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Roblero Pérez y Cel Roblero Pérez, número de caso SP 126-14891 y SP 126-17051. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Se está llamando el caso, señor, tiene que oír. Se está llamando su caso y las personas que están involucradas en el caso, empezando por su abogada, tienen que decir su nombre.
Es que yo no tengo abogado.
Sí, señor, aquí hay un abogado que es para usted, como usted está escuchando lo que ha pasado antes. Okay, I didn't understand. Well, you just have to wait for everybody to put their names. Okay, but I don't have a lawyer. Yes, you have a lawyer. She will, there is a lawyer here for you. Don't worry about it.
I'm waiting on his lawyer as well.
Yo también estoy esperando porque su abogado diga su nombre.
We got two lawyers in here and nobody's speaking up.
I'm so sorry. I was on mute, Your Honor. I was on mute. Jane Carver on behalf of the defendant.
Tenemos dos abogados y ninguno de los dos está diciendo su nombre. Discúlpeme, señoría, es que tenía mi micrófono en silencio. Mi nombre es Jane Carver y yo soy la abogada para el señor.
We can talk privately if you would like to.
Y si usted quiere, señor, o necesita más explicación, el juez nos puede mandar a una salita para que usted hable con su abogado y se le pueda explicar todo lo que usted necesite ahí. ¿Quiere ir a hablar con el abogado para que le explique mejor? Señor, estoy hablando con usted.
Sí.
Sí que, si me oye o si quiere ir.
Sí, está bien. Sí lo escucho.
¿Quiere ir a una sala de consulta privada para hablar con su abogado y preguntarle lo que usted le quiera preguntar y le aclare lo que quiera aclararle?
No, o sea, yo quería hacer lo que usted dijo del servicio comunitario, las 12 horas.
Señor, vamos a ir a donde dice join, por favor, apriete ahí join. Y vamos a la sala de consulta privada.
Okay.
Ahí vamos a reunir, se va a reunir con su abogado y conmigo y usted va a poder, aquí está todo el mundo. Apriete, por favor.
Your Honor, I don't see his name on the docket. What is the offer charges?
The offer is allowing, and then there's a speeding ticket and a driver's license never acquired. He's on the docket, bottom of the page, and allowing, I'll dismiss the speeding, and I'll dismiss the allowing upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
Okay. I'll speak to him. Would Ms. Hernandez be there too?
Yes.
Okay.
Curtis Samuel Lee. Curtis Samuel Lee.
Lewis.
Where is he? You get him another date on different pretrial. See if you can get him a spotted lawyer. He's gonna need a lawyer bad. Where is Curtis Samuel Lee? Unmute yourself, sir.
He's going on his judge record.
We'll put him at the end of the line. He interrupts and now he's gone somewhere. Lindsay, out.
Yes, Your Honor. This is actually Jalorence Gary.
How is it what now?
It's Jalorence Gary, but I'm just on Lindsay Houck's account for Zoom.
Oh, That would help. All right.
I don't want to interrupt you, sir, Your Honor.
No, that's fine. I actually, you got it. That was cool. All right, you're gonna need either a lawyer as well, or Lawrence Gary's file, please. Can we get another pretrial date, not outside of the community court dates?
Does Mr. Gary have an offer, Your Honor?
It's probably gonna be drag racing, 4 points. He's got reckless driving. He's got
That's 6, right?
6 points and a mandatory suspension.
Okay.
For 90 days. So usually, here's the deal. Michigan defensive driving, let me put this in the chat. All right, here's the deal. Take a screenshot of that, sir. That chat.
Man, let me see. You put it up there again. I did it too late.
It should still be up there.
Okay, let me see.
I'll do it again. Should still be up there.
Okay, I got it.
Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Jalen Gary. Case number SP 108-63781, SP 108-65441. Appearance for the record, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson, on behalf of Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary, please state your name for the record.
Lawrence Jalen Gary.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, let's get him arraigned.
Your Honor, for purpose of arraignment, we would like to stay on mute, waive formal reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
I'll enter not guilty plea. I'll enter give him a $0 bond on that. And I'm gonna also, for the SP 108-63781, I'm gonna set aside the default. So here's the deal in the offer is to, if you just don't want to take the class, it's going to be a drag racing, 4 points. If you want to take the class, you'll get a driving while without glasses or something. I think that's a 3 point. But if you take the class and you come and do a very, very good job, meaning you take very good notes, you come into court and you're ready and prepared to tell us what you learned out of that class, and not just that you're not supposed to speed or you're not supposed to stop at stop signs. We want some substantive information. There's a lot of information in that class. Then we can potentially get you a better offer than that. What would you like to do, sir? I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson, and you can speak to her about it. You have an absolute right to a trial, so we can set up a trial date. Or you can come back on July the 26th for the free trial and if you want to take the class. So speak to the lawyer, please.
Okay.
Satterfield looks like he might be going to jail up there. All right, let's see.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, who's that?
That's Curtis. My audio wasn't working.
All right, go ahead and join that room. You're gonna get, you need a lawyer, sir.
Okay.
How old are you?
27.
You got these drug related offenses and this drunk driving.
It's not drunk driving. It's just weed. It's
Well, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Don't talk about it. It's the same thing.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to make sure we was getting it right.
It's considered a drunk driving.
But they didn't catch me drunk driving. They was harassing me.
Listen, let me just don't say anything, all right, sir?
All right. I'm sorry. You got it.
Keep your mouth closed. You don't want to sit over here and tell on yourself, do you?
No, sir.
Let's see if we can get him a spot appointment for a lawyer.
What's his name here?
Curtis Samuel Lee. What's your phone number, sir?
313-918-5275.
918-5275.
Yes, sir.
All right, here, you want his cases? Let's see if we can get you a spot appointment for this, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right, now we're without a lawyer. Let's see what else we can do. Who's that just zoomed in? Who's the Zoom user?
Good morning, Judge. Tawana Gordon here. Sorry for the late intrusion. I was with my residents and I had to step away from them. And I had to let my boss know that I had to clock out because I can't be on company's time during this.
All right.
My apologies.
No apologies necessary. Ms. Gordon, go ahead and clock back in. We're going to dismiss your case, all right?
Thank you, sir. And again, I do apologize. I'm just trying to work.
All right, that's
I'm
what
at
we
work
want
right
to
now.
do. Great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And how do I leave this? Okay. Thank you.
All right, who's on Zoom user? Who's Zoom user? Somebody that's logged in under Zoom user. What's your name? Ask them, ask Zoom user, do they speak Spanish, Mr. Mateo? Good morning to you, Mr. Mateo.
Good morning, Your Honor. El usuario que tiene de Zoom, ¿habla en español? ¿Alguien tiene la pantalla que dice usuario de Zoom? No response, Your Honor.
They must have fell asleep.
It's, you know, that this rain has that kind of effect on you. It's my favorite part.
Or they're snoring. All right, let's move on. Let's look at Fred Lewis, see what Fred Lewis has. Well, that's Zoom user there drinking our coffee.
Oh, I'm Dina Coulter, Your Honor.
You're Dina Coulter?
Yes, you asked me like an hour ago.
Yeah, well, you were on the phone and now you signed in some kind of way.
Oh, actually, I had to leave and come. I had to go out and come back in because for whatever odd reason, you started talking to someone, the mic went out. And so I had to go out and come back in to hear you. So I didn't know that you were even talking to me. My apologies.
It's all right. All right, let's see what Fred Lewis has. What's your name, sir? What's your middle name?
Martell, sir.
Martell.
Yes, sir.
How old are you, sir?
24, sir.
Sit up. Please.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sitting up. But
You don't live in Southwest Detroit, do you?
no, sir. I stay in Detroit.
Stay where?
In Detroit. I don't know if that's a difference.
The Southwest is still Detroit, so.
Well, I mean, no, it's not Southwest. I stay near downtown, sir.
Can we get this file? You have this file?
What's his name again?
Fred Lewis. Check it off as if.
Did I put a question mark next to
Put
it?
a question mark.
Yes.
See what this show
Oh,
cause
who
9.
did it? I see a wrong. You said Fred.
It's got a show cause 9.
Okay.
Sí,
All right.
sí.
I mean, we can. Let's go back on record with Mr. Roblero Perez. Mr. Perez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
You would like to take advantage of the offer.
Ok, vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Roblero Pérez. Yo le di al señor Roblero Pérez la oportunidad de que fuera a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado y la intérprete. Señora abogada Jane Carver, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente? Su señoría, mi cliente desea tomar las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Excuse me. Do this have to do with Fred Lewis?
No, hold on, Mr. Lewis.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right. Okay. Sir, is that what you want to do, Mr. Perez?
Señor Roblero Pérez, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer? ¿Tomar las horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
Señor, por favor, levante su mano derecha para ser juramentado.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este delito del cual usted ha sido acusado podría ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel o también $500 de multa? ¿Entiende que eso es la penalidad que podría ser? ¿Entiende?
Sí.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que si usted no es ciudadano americano, ¿verdad? Una culpabilidad de una falta menor como esta podría tener, ¿verdad? Influencia en su caso migratorio el día que usted vaya a ajustar su estatus. ¿Usted entiende?
Sí, sí.
Yes, I understand.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene derecho a ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le estoy ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a ese derecho de ir a juicio.
Sí.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Aparte de lo que hemos hablado, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
All right, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back to October the 9th, 2021 at around 9:54 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Junction and Federal, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Señor, déjeme dirigir su atención al día de los hechos, que fue el 9 de octubre del año 2021, aproximadamente a las 9:54 de la mañana, en la intersección de Junction y Federal. ¿Ese día usted lo paró un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
On that day, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese día el oficial le dijo que le mostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿correcto, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, why is that?
Okay. ¿Y por qué no se la pudo mostrar, señor?
No tengo.
Because I don't have one.
All right, very well. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. Counselor, I'll dismiss the other count.
Okay, señor.
Oh, sorry.
Entonces yo le voy a arreglar, le voy a cambiar el cargo, que en vez de usted manejar sin licencia, usted permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara, que es un cargo menor. Y después de que se estipule la causa probable por su abogado, entonces yo le voy a quitar el otro ticket de una vez.
Okay.
Y su abogado estipuló la causa probable. Okay, thank you.
Right. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Señor, entonces anote el teléfono que le voy a dar, que es donde usted tiene que llamar para hacer sus horas comunitarias.
Está bien.
It's okay. I'm ready.
Well, I'll give him the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Señor, le voy a dar el número del Servicio Comunitario de Justicia del Suroeste de Detroit. Anote.
Sí.
The number is 879-2155.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, it's okay.
And I need your phone number, sir.
Señor, necesito un número de teléfono suyo para poder comunicarnos con ustedes.
248.
248.
579.
579.
3952.
3952. Okay, Your Honor. 248-579-3952.
All right. I'm going to give you till June 22nd to complete the 12 hours of community service. I'm going to set it for a review at 8:25 a.m. and call the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon to set that up, okay?
Ok, señor. Entonces yo le voy a dar la siguiente fecha, 22 de junio, para una revisión de su caso a las 8:25 de la mañana. Para ese día usted tiene que ya haber cumplido con sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Tiene que llamar esta misma tarde al teléfono que yo le di, que le dio el juez, pues. ¿Ok? Sí. Para establecer cuándo va a hacer usted sus horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok.
Y ellos me van a dar a mí la confirmación, y cuando usted se conecte el 22 de junio, entonces revisamos su caso. ¿Entendió?
Sí.
Ok. ¿Tiene alguna pregunta para el juez?
No, está bien.
Okay. Yeah, he understood, Your Honor, and he doesn't have any question for you.
Very well. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back on June 22nd, 2022 at 8:25 a.m., sir. Good luck to you.
Ok, señor, entonces si no tiene ninguna pregunta, yo la veo entonces el 22 de junio del 22 a las 8:25. Puede retirarse entonces. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. J. Lawrence Jalen Gary. Mr. Gary, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in a breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gary would like to have this matter set for a bench trial.
Okay. Trial. We need a trial date.
7/26.
7/26, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Mr. Gary, did you get that date?
Yes. Yep.
So zoom back in the same way you did today on that date.
Okay.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. All right, bye.
Ms. Mathis, can I get a docket? I just realized I did not have it in my.
Oh, you didn't have one? Oh, okay. I did send it yesterday, but let me resend it.
Okay.
All right, Fred Lewis, we're going to, okay, we got Fred Lewis here. I don't have his file. We can call the cases and give him a pretrial date.
I don't even see Mr. Lewis on the docket.
Yeah, I don't either. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Fred Martell Lewis. Case number SP 1138923, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1149265 217-310-89, counts 1 and 2, and 217-289-951. Appearance for the record, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
I'm Fred Martell Lewis.
Okay, I'm going to set aside the defaults for Mr. Lewis on 217-310-89, counts 1 and counts 2. If your client likes, I can get him an offer right now, or you can come back July the 26th, 2022. If he comes back, then I will allow him to. Mr. Lewis, have you ever had a driver's license before?
No, sir.
What is the problem? What's up with this driver's license? Why haven't you got a driver's license?
Sir, I made an appointment to Secretary of State. I took a computer test. I passed it. I was waiting on the road test, and that's when COVID hit and things slowed down, and they weren't allowing like clients anymore. So that really slowed me up, sir. But I was really trying, sir.
Do you have $135, sir?
$135, yes, sir.
All right, I want you to pay. I'm going to allow you to pay these reinstatement fees up front.
If it's possible, sir, I stay right down the street from 36th District. Could I just walk in and pay inside?
Certainly. So I want you to do that as soon as possible.
Oh, I can do it once I get off of here, sir.
All right, what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to potentially get a driver's license. Do you have any other tickets in any other jurisdiction, sir?
Yes, sir. I have, yes, I have a ticket in Dearborn that I paid for $300.
All right. I want you to pay this $135. I want you to come on down here today, and then after 48 to 72 hours, let's say Monday morning, I want you to set up an appointment with the Secretary of State, and I want you to re-engage them about a driver's license. Can we get them arraigned, Counselor? Can we get them arraigned, please?
Your Honor, for purpose of arraignment, we would like to stand mute, waive formal reading, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. On SP 11388923, counts 1, 2, and 3, I'm gonna allow him to pay the reinstatement fees up front. I set aside the defaults on 21731-089, counts 1 and 2, and I'm gonna waive any late and reinstatement fees on those. All right, bring that $135 in. And what I want you to do, sir, I want you to take substantial steps to get a driver's license. It sounds like you've already taken those substantial steps, except for COVID is the reason why you have not been successful in that. I want you to take substantial steps so that go re-engage them. If you have to start the process over, come back in 7/26/2022 at 8:30. I'll work with you if you do what you say you're gonna do. All right, and we'll get past this stuff. As long as you say you're gonna do what you're gonna do, I'll work with you. All right.
Okay, sir.
2022, we're gonna find out where you are in that process. I would like you to bring a driver's license in that day. But
yes, sir. I'm like I said, I'm gonna try my best. So what I'm gonna do is from today, today being Wednesday, I'm gonna go down to 36th District, pay the 135, and get on Secretary of State book appointment around 1 or 2 in the morning, and you can usually catch a next day appointment, like when you on like 1 or 2 in the morning.
You wanna wait though. You wanna wait after you pay today, because those reinstatement fees clearances aren't gonna hit the Secretary of State until about 48 to 72 hours. So if you pay today, we recall those other fees today, then you wait a couple of days before you set that appointment up. I don't want to make you make a dry run to the Secretary of State. So do that. If you have a problem, you come up to the courtroom and or call up to the courtroom. We'll help you out. Write these case numbers down.
Okay, just a second.
Can we get a response from Mr. Lee yet? No, the file that.
Oh, you mean the attorney?
Yes.
I emailed Judge Carter. I haven't heard anything from him.
We're gonna give him a pretrial date too.
7/26.
7/26, yes. And then by that time we have his phone number. Hopefully they'll call him before.
I'm ready, sir.
All right, SP 1138923, counts 1, 2, and 3. You got that?
Yes, sir. You said SP 1138923, count 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. Are you working, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm working at Sinai Grace doing dishwasher, and I work at Comerica Park doing cleaning crew.
Well, you need to contact me. You need to get in touch with those people over there that I was over there at that carpentry and millwright building over there off the web in 96. You need to get yourself a skilled trade in that program. Do you have a high school diploma, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you're interested, you need to contact me. I'll get you in touch with somebody over there.
Oh yeah, I most definitely would appreciate that, sir.
It sounds like you would be a good candidate. All right, let's get this stuff when you get down here. Let me get his phone number. What's your phone number, sir?
313-488-9702. But I want to give you another number just in case. 586 569-9823.
Let's get this driver's license and I'm gonna get you that information over there for that community, that skilled trade center.
I most definitely appreciate that, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a good day. Remember July 26, 2022, and remember, if you have a problem down there about paying that reinstatement fee up front, make sure you give us a call or come up to the court.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You have a better one.
All right, let's get Mr. Curtis Lee. You there, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Curtis Samuel Lee, case number U45811-918, U47604-318, Z8058131, 183803-871, and 19396241. Appearance for the record, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee.
Yes.
You have, we put information in for a slot appointment for you to get a lawyer. I'm gonna automatically give him a pretrial date, Ms. Carter, of 7. Let's get him a ring, please.
We can waive the formal reading and enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Let's do this. He indicates to the court that he almost telling on himself that this is not a drunk driving. He indicates that it's a weed driving, I guess. But I indicated to him that it's the same difference. Why don't you speak with him in a breakout room? I don't know if I'm going to be testing him or not. I'm going to put a bond on him for sure. How old are you, sir?
I'm 27.
All right. Talk to him in a breakout room, and I'll make my decision up after you get out. All right. Talk to the lawyer, sir. All right. Mrs. Val Guerrero.
Señor Guerrero.
She was on there with that sign and she's left. Who's on that phone at 32231-8603? Can you unmute yourself, please?
La persona que está en el teléfono que termina en 8603, por favor, abra su micrófono y díganos su nombre.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Por favor, abra su micrófono, el teléfono 313-231-8603.
All right. Ms. Coulter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, runner license, please. Do you have valid insurance and plates on this vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Let's see if we can get, if you got documentation, let's see it, please.
Yes, sir. I have it all right here. Here's the insurance.
All right, let me see you. Hold it up so I can see the dates on there and stuff.
Oh, can you see it? Why am I looking?
Push it up there. Now you gotta push it closer than that. All right, now go up. All right, let's see the registration, please.
Okay. Registration in the car. Here's the operator's license. Oh, here we go. Here you are, Your Honor.
Very well.
And Your Honor, I also have they told me to keep this in my car.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either, but just wanted to show you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dina Coulter, case number SP 1260821, SP 1260883. Strike that. SP 1260823. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Coulter, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss her cases. Well, let's get her arraigned first.
We'll wait for a reading, Your Honor. Stay on mute, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
I'm in the not guilty plea on your client's behalf, $0 bond. I'm gonna dismiss the cases. She provided valid documentation. All right, Ms. Coulter, have a very good day.
Thank you. You have a better one. Thank you so very much. May I ask one question, Your Honor, before we leave? I was told there was 3 cases under this one ticket. So I guess I'm a little confused, Your Honor. Did we just clear everything up?
We did just clear everything up now.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to clarify,
Very
make
well.
sure. Thank you so very much.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, Mr. Hernandez.
Ok, señor Hernández, llamando a su caso, señor Hernández, señor Hernández, señor Hernández. Por favor, ahora, gracias.
Aquí estoy. Buenos días.
Good morning. El juez va a llamar su caso ahorita.
Okay.
All right, I don't see him on the docket, do you? Oh, okay. I see.
He's under
I see.
8:30.
Yes.
It's in the middle.
Yeah, it's written differently. Hernandez and Andres Hernandez.
Yeah, his name is Andres Celestino and his last name is Hernandez.
Celestino Hernández.
All right, is he willing to do community service?
Pero señor, por favor, ¿quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario?
Mejor prefiero pagar, se puede pagar.
Señor, ¿quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario como le ha pasado a toda la gente antes de usted y después le quitan su caso o quiere pagar? ¿Qué quiere hacer?
O pagar, prefiero pagar.
I'd rather pay, Your Honor.
Tell him to go to the other court to pay.
Entonces tiene que ir a otra corte para pagar, señor.
Otra
Aquí
corte.
en esta corte se hacen las horas de servicio comunitario.
12 hours of community service will get you.
¿A qué corte tengo que ir?
Señor, por favor, no interrumpa cuando el juez esté hablando, si es tan amable. Yes, Your Honor, go ahead.
12 hours of community service will get your case dismissed, sir.
Señor, lo único que tiene que hacer son 12 horas de servicio comunitario en esta corte y se le quitan los casos. Después que cumpla las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, le quitan su caso y no tiene ningún récord. Señor.
Y si lo pago, me quedo con récord.
And if I pay and I keep keep it in the record, si lo paga, tiene un récord de manejo. Si hace las horas de servicio comunitario, que tiene un récord limpio.
Que entonces, ¿qué hago las horas mejor?
Okay, if you pay, your record will be clean. If you want to pay, you pay, but you will have a record. Okay, I will take the hours.
We'll take the hours. You want to do the community service?
Entonces, ¿usted quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario tomando las horas?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Andreas Hernandez, case number SP 131-8359, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, entonces vamos a llamar al caso. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Andrés Hernández, número de caso SP 131-8359-8331, SP 131-8359, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Hernandez, Your Honor.
Tilmarca Wilkerson representando al señor Hernández, su señoría.
For purposes of arraignment, we would like to stand mute, wait for a reading, and allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Para el caso del día de hoy, el señor desea permanecer en silencio y la corte va a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. The offer is going to be allowing an unlicensed driver to drive 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion, and with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other count now.
Ok, entonces yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre. Voy a establecer una fianza de $0, no tiene que pagar nada. Voy a cambiar su acusación de no tener licencia a que permitió que alguien sin licencia manejara, y después de que él cumpla las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, le voy a desestimar ese ticket, y el día de hoy, por haber tomado este trato que le ofrecimos, le voy a quitar el otro ticket que tiene después de que su abogado estipule las causas probables.
De acuerdo.
Abogado.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿quiere tomar ese acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Señor, ¿puede tomar su mano derecha, por favor? Subir su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Yes.
Sí.
Right. You can put your hand down, sir.
Puede bajar su mano, señor.
Sir, do you understand if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que si usted no es un ciudadano americano, verdad? Una declaración de un delito menor como este podría tener injerencias el día que usted vaya a arreglar sus papeles. ¿Entiende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Y usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este delito del cual usted ha sido acusado puede ser de hasta 93 días en la cárcel o también de $500 de multa. Entiende que eso es así.
Yes.
Yes. Sí.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende, señor, que usted tiene el derecho a ir a juicio si usted quiere, así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Entiende que tenía el derecho. ¿Sí?
Sí.
¿O no?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y entiende que al tomar este acuerdo que le estamos ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a ese derecho.
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido algo más aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado?
No.
No.
All right, sir. Let me draw your attention back to February the 28th, 2022 at around 4:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lawndale and Logan Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
No, I'm sorry. I couldn't, I missed the date and the time.
February 28th, 2022 at around 4:55 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of Lawndale and Logan. You have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day.
Okay, señor, October 28th, you say? I couldn't hear.
No,
October.
February 28th, sorry, February 28th.
Ok. Señor, por favor, déjeme dirigir su atención al día de la ofensa que fue el 28 de febrero del 2022, alrededor de las 4:25 de la tarde en la intersección de Downdale. Ese día, a esa hora, ¿lo paró usted un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
And sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostraran la licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿correcto?
Correcto.
Correcto.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no se la pudo mostrar?
Porque no tengo de aquí.
Because I don't have one from here.
Tengo internacional.
I have an international one.
Well, why didn't you show him your international license then?
Entonces, ¿por qué no le mostró esa licencia?
Es que no la tenía, la tengo vencida. Está vencida.
Because it is expired, Your Honor.
Okay, there we go. All right, so, okay, so I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other count.
No stipulated, Your Honor.
Ok, entonces yo lo voy a encontrar culpable de haber permitido que alguien sin licencia manejara. Este es el cargo enmendado. Y después de la estipulación de la causa probable, voy a desestimar el otro caso. Sí, señoría, estipulado.
All right, that's gonna be 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion. I'll give you until June the 22nd, 2022 at 8:25 to complete that community service.
Ok, señor. Entonces, yo le voy a dar 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y después de que complete esas horas de servicio comunitario, le voy a desestimar el caso. Y el otro cargo queda eliminado hoy. Le voy a dar hasta el 22 de junio, anote, el 22 de junio a las 8:25 de la mañana para que se conecte aquí. Para ese día usted tiene que haber ya contactado al centro de servicio comunitario y ellos le van a dar toda la explicación de cómo hacer las 12 horas. Y usted le tiene que dar la confirmación de que hizo las 12 horas a ellos. Para ese día, 22 de junio, que usted se conecte otra vez, el juez tenga las 12 horas y entonces le quite el caso. ¿Entendió?
Ok.
Ok, sí. Understood.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Ok, señor, necesito que me dé un teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted.
432.
432.
232.
232.
Perdón, 432, 236, 91, 85.
¿91 qué?
85.
Le repito, 432, 236, 91, 85.
Ok, correcto.
Ya, Your Honor, 432-236-9185.
All right, he needs to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. That's Trace
Okay.
Uno Trace.
Señor, tiene que tomar este número de teléfono, anótelo, por favor, el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia Comunitario. Anote, 313, el juez se lo está dando. Ok, Your Honor, go ahead.
313-879-2155.
A mí me dijeron goodbye.
2155.
¿Lo tiene, señor? You got
Al
it?
último. Sí, 313. Sí, 313-879-2155.
Okay, Your Honor, he repeats 313-879-2155.
Okay.
Sí.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day. Hasta luego. Call him this afternoon.
Ok, señor, hasta luego. Gracias a usted. Llámelos esta tarde, esta misma tarde, la señora Carmencita Buentello, en español.
Ok.
Ok, hasta luego. Se puede desconectar.
Hasta luego, gracias.
Thank you.
Hello.
Who's that?
¿Quién es ese?
Luis.
Luis.
Luis Solano.
Luis Solano.
All right, you were here earlier.
Señor, sí, usted estaba aquí antes.
Sí, estoy allí escuchando, pero no me pueden oír, no sé.
Yes, I have been here listening to you, but I couldn't be heard.
Oh, this is Luis Manuel Solano, huh?
Yes,
usted es el señor
you,
Luis Manuel
you
Solano.
told me my telephone number, and I tried to speak and don't answer.
All right, hold on 1 second, sir. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Curtis Samuel Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Mr. Lee would like to set this matter for a trial, I believe for a trial date, so we can confront the officers. Mr. Lee is disabled. He has MS, and he did have his driver's license before this, and he would like to speed things up so that he can get his driving privileges back. He's going to school. He does have some goals of being doing some cybersecurity in the future, but right now he is a delivery driver, or he would like to continue being a delivery driver. He did post a $500 bond to get the date today, and you should know that he did try to appear back. It was he's not sure of the date, but it was quite a while ago. He did try to appear and was turned away before COVID because of his improper clothing. So he does have a valid prescription, and he does not drink. And I know you put in a request. I think you put in a request for him to get an attorney assigned to him.
What I'm gonna do is what I'm gonna do for Mr. Lee, based on that representation, I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fees on all the cases. That should give you clearances here at the 36th District Court. I'm going to set a trial date for June 22nd, 2022 at 9 a.m. That's the fastest date I can get you a trial. I will wait after the day, after we waive those fees, I will wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State, see if you can get a driver's license, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
All right, if it's nothing further, come back June 22nd, 2022. Hopefully that lawyer will call you as well before then, and then you can tell them that you have a trial date set on that date, and then we'll get some kind of resolution hopefully on that date. If, really, the most important thing I understand your counsel saying is you need a driver's license. You should be able to get a driver's license. So regardless of whether we get a resolution on that date or the attorney comes in and says he needs more time, you should be able to get a driver's license and you should be able to get back to work, all right?
Yes,
Make sure you write down the date because you won't get anything in the mail, okay? June
I
22nd.
did. I did. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, same way Zoom. All right, Mr. Lee, have a very good day. Good luck to you. I'll see you back.
All
on
right,
the
thank you.
22nd.
Okay.
I'm gonna set Mr. Solano up with a trial date as well, because he's got open alcohol motor vehicle passenger. And this is the city of Detroit versus Louis Manuel Solano, case number SP 132-84111. Appearance for the record, please. That's that.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf. Oh, you could take.
It's okay, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Solano.
Ajá.
Ok, este es el caso del señor Luis Manuel Solano, de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis Manuel Solano, caso número SP 132-84111. Yo voy a mandar al señor Solano para un día de juicio porque su ticket también es por tener un contenedor de alcohol abierto. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Mi nombre es Tilmaca Wilkerson, representando al señor Solano. Señor Solano, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Luis Manuel Solano Sandoval.
Luis Manuel Solano Sandoval.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would like to waive formal reading, stand mute, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Señor, su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de cargos. El señor Solano va a permanecer en silencio.
I want to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give him a $0 bond. I need a trial date. What was it? Trial date.
Ok, entonces yo voy a aceptar la declaración de no culpabilidad por parte de su cliente. Le voy a poner una fianza de cero, de ningún tipo de pago monetario, y le voy a dar la fecha para la próxima fecha para el juicio.
726.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Wilkerson, with Mr. Solano, and you can explain to him why we're just setting a trial date. The offer is not going to be an offer because it is the way it is.
Okay.
Please.
Ok, señora abogada, yo le voy a poner a usted junto con su cliente, el señor Solano, en una sala de consulta privada.
He's already in there.
Ok. Ok.
Because it's on the phone, it automatically joined. Ms. Wilkerson, can you join that room, please? All right, Mr. Satterfield.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, what's your middle name, sir?
Porter.
We've been here before.
Yeah, you adjourned me for today.
All right, let's see. Find out who was that other one that had open in time.
You said it was somebody who had open in time.
Yeah, that I sent to, that I just gave a trial or that I got. Just one case. Yes. Send him what day?
June the 22nd.
All right, I'm gonna put him on June. have Satterfield's file? I mean, first of all, were you supposed to do some community service?
No, we spoke last time about I wanted to talk to a lawyer about getting all my tickets together so we can do the community service. You said that you wanted to work with me as far as doing the community service for all my tickets. So you adjourned me over to today.
Yeah, but you got more cases. And then you have these cases that are pending, that are, we must have 2 files for you.
What's Saturday?
We have to, because I remember.
I remember Saturday.
Who's this? What's your name, sir?
Joseph Liddell.
What's the name again?
Joseph Liddell.
Oh, he's on Dr. Wow. Liddell?
Yeah, I believe I have court today, and I think I had court yesterday as well.
Liddell?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And it's Joseph?
Yes, it is.
Joseph Parker Liddell?
Yes, that's it. That's it, sir.
What are you doing so late in here?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I had to go to daughter's school. I had some school stuff for my daughter, and I just remembered I had court. I'm sorry. I'm so late. And I think I had a court date yesterday too as well.
All right, hold on. All right, so I don't know what we're gonna do. We need another file for Mr. Satterfield.
Okay, let me locate.
Somewhere. Because these seem like new cases you got, sir. So what were we supposed to be doing, Mr. Satterfield?
Well, I agreed to do the community service for all my tickets. I know I'm scheduled for next month on the 10th to go to court for those tickets. So that's probably what the issue is at hand. But I'm prepared to do the community service as much as I need to resolve my ticket matter.
Our conversation. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Timothy Porter Satterfield. Case numbers SP 11404521, SP 11404522, SP 1211102, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1267837, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1326608, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Satterfield.
All right, I'm gonna call SP 11404561, SP 1211101, counts 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna set aside the defaults on those cases. Let's give him a rain. He's got warrants on him, counselor. Let's do that first.
We can waive the reading and enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, I'm gonna enter that not guilty plea, and I'm gonna give him this time, you, Mr. Satterfield, you're missing dates. You're missing court dates.
Correct. I was moving. I was in the process of moving.
You still gotta zoom in. And let the court know where you're at, because I'm not gonna keep giving you these $0 bonds. I'm gonna have you come back next week. We gotta locate your other file and see what's written in that other file and consolidate these cases.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's have you back for a pre-trial. Let's do this next week. Get here first and I'll get you out first, all right? Get here early. But at least we gotta get an offer from you. Let me get a phone number from you as well.
248-897-7513.
You gotta stop picking up these cases.
Correct.
Back on May the 25th at 8:30. Remember, if you get in here first, I'll get you out. We'll get it next week. We'll find it next week, but we got a couple different files, and I know I wrote some notes in your file, and this is the new file. So we got to get your file consolidated. We got to get you back next week, all right?
Okay, May 25th, 8:30.
May 25th at 8:30, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You too.
What about that ROE? Thought I did. Saturday. Thought I printed somehow for Mr. What's your name again, sir? I'm sorry. Oh, Lydell.
Yeah, Joseph Liddell.
Yes. Did I print something out for him? Yeah, I know I did. All right. He's sitting in the driver's seat of a car and doesn't have a, do you have a driver's license, sir?
I'm currently working on paying my stuff. I got tickets here that I paid.
I didn't ask you that.
No, I do not. I do not currently have my license. I'm not driving right now, sir.
I know you're not. I didn't say you were. I didn't say you were, but I was correct in saying that you're sitting in the driver's seat. Am I correct about that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I didn't say you were driving.
All right.
I can only imagine what you're about to do once you get off of the Zoom call, though.
I'm going back in the house. I'm going back in the house.
Okay, I was wrong about I was wrong about that.
Only the second thing.
I
Only the
certainly
second.
would have guessed you would have taken off in that car.
No. You know, some people would not today. Not today.
This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Parker Lydell. Case number SP 1196717, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1202113, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1259320, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1259325, counts 1 and counts 2. One 7230811. Appearance for the record, please.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Lydell.
All right, for some reason, this ticket is not in default, but it has already triggered a suspension on his license. That would be that no insurance proof, SP12 021133. All right, can we get him a rain, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. Enter a plea of not guilty and will waive the reading of the information.
All right, I'm gonna give a enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. And I'm gonna give him a pretrial date of July the 26th. At 8:30 a.m. We'll have an offer for you that day, sir. I'm setting aside the default on the SP12021133. I'm waiving the late end reinstatement fee, and I'm gonna send a note to the abstract clerk letting them know that. So you can potentially, I don't know what other tickets you have in the other jurisdictions, you can potentially get a license this way. I don't know if you don't have anything, you'll have clearances here in 48 to 72 hours. You don't have any other tickets in any other jurisdiction, you can potentially get a driver's license. I would hope that you can bring that driver's license back to the court. We'll set a pre-trial date and we'll get you an offer on that date on the 26th. None of this stuff after that no insurance civil infraction is affecting your driver's license, and we'll clear that up. Wait a minute, let's see, there's no plate. That looks like the only thing that's affecting your license down here. We'll clear that up, and then you can approach the Secretary of State in 48 to 72 hours to see if you can get a license. Come back 26, we'll get a offer for you. And then if not, if you don't like it, you got a right to a trial. Take stuff to trial. All right. License, registration, and insurance will go a long way for these tickets for you, though. All right. You have any questions, sir? I can't hear you. Something's wrong with your phone.
It definitely is. I have to get my speaker fixed. Can you hear me?
I can't hear you now. Go ahead.
Okay. Once I'm done with the clearance,
you gotta speak up.
Once you do the clearances for me, or can I go down and get my license, or do I have to take care of the tickets in Dearborn?
No, go down and get that after 48 to 72 hours. We're sending that information in to clear your license up now down here.
Okay, thank you. So wait
till about Monday morning next week sometime, and then go approach.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You as well. Good luck.
All right. Ms. Wilkerson?
Yes, Your Honor, you have to put Mr. Solano out of the breakout room. You know, he's on the phone. He can't come out. Did we lose him?
No.
He couldn't get out, Your Honor. There was no way.
I pulled him out, but he hung up.
Yes, because he said, I'm going to go out, I'm going to go in again. So I said, but you have to do it. Then I couldn't explain him. He didn't know how to do.
What are we gonna do with them?
He's going to, I'm sorry, he's going to sign in again. That question was not for me, I'm sorry.
He wants, I mean, we're gonna set it for trial, Your Honor.
All right. Give her some more time.
How much time you want me to give him?
I don't know.
90 days?
Yeah, she's.
Ahí está, there he is.
Ahí está.
Ok, señor Solano, gracias. Aquí está el juez. Ok, Mr. Solano, the honorable judge is here. Just wait for him.
All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Luis Manuel Solano. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. And counselor, what does your client want to do?
He would like to have this matter set for bench trial, Your Honor.
Ok, estamos de vuelta para que conste en el acta, en el caso del señor Luis Manuel Solano, abogada que desea ser su cliente, su señoría, mi cliente desea ir a juicio, poner el día para ir a juicio.
Okay, we'll give him a trial date, June 22nd, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Ok, señor Solano, entonces le vamos a dar un día para el juicio, anote, el 22 de junio a las 9 de la mañana, con este mismo número, en este mismo lugar. Junio 22.
Junio 22. Ok.
Ajá, a las 9 de la mañana.
Las 9.
Sí.
Okay.
Por Zoom, como hoy, igualito que hoy. The same way that you get, ¿ok?
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. See you back on the 22nd.
Ok, señor, que tenga un excelente día. Nos volvemos a ver el día 22 de junio.
Ok, y ustedes también que tengan un buen día.
Ok, and a very good day for you all too.
Thank you.
Gracias, señor. Se puede ya desconectar. Thank you. You can disconnect now.
Ok, gracias.
A la orden.
Okay, that seems like it'll do it.
Well, it looks like, Your Honor.